How to get rid of canker sores with baking soda. 1. Canker sores are small shallow ulcers which appear within the mouth in the soft tissue of the gums and tongue. These can be very painful, making eating or drinking difficult. 2. Canker sores are not the same as cold sores. Cold sores only appear on the outside of the lips and face. Canker sores are only inside the mouth and are not contagious. 3. Most canker sores go away on their own within a week or two. However, you may wish to get rid of them faster as they can be extremely painful. 4. The sores themselves usually have a white or yellow center with a red border and can appear on the inside of the lips, the gums, the tongue, the inside of the cheeks or the roof of the mouth. 5. In order to heal this quickly and get rid of the pain, you can use the following remedy. 1 teaspoon of baking soda should be dissolved in 1/2 a cup of warm water. Stir well and then use as a baking soda mouth rinse. 6. Rinse the mouth regularly throughout the day with this mixture and you will notice the pain going away. 7. The alkalinity of the baking soda destroys harmful bacteria in the mouth, which speeds up the healing process of the canker sore. 8. You can also hold a piece of ice against canker sores to lower inflammation and further speed up the healing process. 9. Alternatively, you can simply sprinkle some baking soda on your finger and hold it against the sore for 2 to 3 minutes. This will be painful as a reaction will take place. However, this is the fastest way to heal the ulcer. Be sure to spit out the baking soda shortly afterwards. 10. Baking soda has a great range of uses at home and for the body. To learn more about these, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.